guys! In today's video, I will be showing you my bedroom cleaning routine. If you need some motivation to get up and tackle your own mess at home, keep on watching and clean with me. If you are an existing subscriber, thank you for coming back. I really appreciate you. And if you are new here to my channel, hello, my name is Selle. I am a working mom of one sweet boy and two crazy dogs. I would love to have you back here and join my YouTube family. So if you like this kind of video, please consider subscribing. I upload new one every Thursday. For starter, I'm making my bed. I feel like when my bed is made, everything else just looks instantly clean. I'm not changing my bedsheet today because I recently just changed this, so I'm just fixing it. Honestly guys, I don't think my bedroom is that messy today. I have been really good at maintaining it, but it's very dusty, so I need to give everything a really good wipe. I like to go with my sweeper duster first before I go wipe any table or counter with my microfiber cloth so that it doesn't get super dirty. For all my wood furnitures, I use this wood cleaner from Pledge and it works really great. It leaves everything looking shiny. This mirror tends to get really dirty and gross because my dogs like to lick everything, so they lick the bottom of this mirror and sometimes it's really nasty. My dirty clothes are on the floor because I was doing my laundry yesterday and I wasn't done, so these are the ones that I needed to add it to those. For my window cleaner, I use this Method brand in the scent mint, and then for my multi-purpose cleaner, it's the same brand in the scent grapefruit. I love this brand, it smells amazing and you can get it at Target, so it's very easy accessible. I love essential oil, so I'm always using this humidifier every time I'm cleaning, or actually even when I'm not cleaning, I'm always using this. Let me know in the comment down below if you have a favorite essential oil and what it is. I would love to check it because like I said, I'm obsessed with it. My all-time favorite is lavender. This basket is my catch-all, but most of the stuff that's in there is for my work. Here I'm just wiping all my everyday essential. Believe me or not, I use everything that's in this tray every single day. That's why I keep them on my counter, because I don't like to go looking for them and I would just make a big whole mess when I do that. So I just keep everything in this tray, and yeah, I feel like I make less mess when I do that. I have mascara stain on this mirror and I couldn't get it off in just one wipe, so I'm really scrubbing it to get it off. I clean my makeup acrylic organizer with just wet paper towel, and then I go on with dry paper towel. It works really great. I don't want to ruin this, so I don't use any chemical on it. For my tile floor, I use these super wet wipes and it's really great. It smells amazing and I love that it's disposable, especially for the bathroom use. For my toilet cleaner, I use this super concentrated cleaner from Mr. Clean. I just mix it with water and then I use this toilet bowl cleaner from Clorox. I don't like to reuse any rug that I'm going to be using for toilet, so I use paper towel so that it's disposable. I use this basket for storage for my feminine products and toilet papers. I didn't show how I clean my bathtub because I recently just did it and I normally do it when I take a shower. And if you're wondering why I have pillow on the floor, I did that on purpose so that when we're sleeping, my door will not close because my dog needs to go out and use the bathroom. hope you find this video motivating and helpful to tackle your own mess at home. If you do, please give me a thumbs up, share this to a friend, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you all so much for watching. I really appreciate you. I will see you all again on my next video. Bye!